Namaste. I'm Ezechiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. This is a Lightworker tutorial channel. So if you're interested in becoming a Lightworker, if you are a Lightworker, you want to get some pointers how to improve your Lightworker game, you want to become a more effective Lightworker, then I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Make sure you ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. So now, have you activated your light body? Would you like to know how to activate your light body? All right, let's activate the light body. Stay tuned for that. First, let's discuss the 3 components necessary to activate your light body. First, the first component is spirit. You must collect your thoughts. Meditation, energy work. You must learn to trust yourself. You can only do this by practice. This is something that comes through experience, something that you will find through introspection, through quiet thoughts and consideration. Now, the second aspect, the second component necessary to activate the light body, your light body, is your mind. You must study, read, get as much knowledge as you can about esoteric matters, how the energy systems work. What is this universe that we live in as far as some people's perspective? What do they think? What do they think? Make your opinion based on what resonates with you. You have to study, pray, chant, affirmations. So now, when you use affirmations, I am energized. My light body is activated. I am open to receiving and transmitting energy. These are the kinds of affirmations that you want to use. Now, your body is the third component necessary to activate your light body. When you eat well, you drink distilled water, you flex your body using yoga, tai chi, qigong, not aerobic exercise. This type of exercise is detrimental to this process for a different reason, other than engaging the body and getting the body strong. Yes, that's true. Aerobics does, but it also burns several components that are necessary for the body. So, slower, low impact, swimming, yoga, like I said. These things are energizing. They open the chakras. They get your light body prepared. All of these things are necessary to prepare you. These things are not necessarily going to open or make your light body available. What that is this. If you want to activate your light body, what you will need to do is change your way of thinking, your way of acting, your way of speaking. You must become a being of light, a divine being, the being who you are inside. And furthermore, each of your chakras, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, must radiate white light, changing the entire auric field to white. Now, this is something that happens naturally when one is giving light to others, when one is doing light work that engages divine light, traveling through your auric body to others, to a place, or whatever the situation may be. But this changes your auric field to white. So, if you can follow these 3 components, then you can activate your light body by doing a lot of light worker activities. Speaking, teaching, giving light, creating beauty, admiring beauty. There are many different ways to engage in divine light. I'd like to hear how you do it. How do you engage the light? Are you a light worker? Are you interested in this kind of work? I'd like you to write light worker in the comments. So, if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded, and like and share this video. It does help the channel. Make sure you get with me on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn at Ezechiade, and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.